Welcome to your D2L Bootcamp. You're going to learn a lot in this environment, and you're going to learn it primarily on your own because I won't be here to overlook the situation. Instead, we set up a self-paced training environment using videos that I've harvested from the internet and from, in particular, Oklahoma City University and the D2L Brightspace. Will depend on the Oklahoma City University videos for the most part because they're exceptionally well done. And they deal explicitly with d2l 10.3, the operating system we work with here at Stout. Now, I have set aside in the video section a number of what I think of as essential training videos. And what I'd like you to do with these is to go through them several times and experiment and try what the video is showing you. You know, you're in this environment with full instructor privileges. You can change anything in here. I prefer you don't delete everything, but you could change just about anything in here if you wish to. Now, by looking at these videos and then practicing the moves with the test student that we've set up, it'll give you some hands-on practice and hopefully allow you to get your equilibrium and orientation for when you go on stage live and for real in your internship. Here is a place that you can practice and play. Here's a place that you can investigate. When you get to the internship, that's the real deal. And it's best that you be technically prepared to cope with what's coming your way. So it's absolutely acceptable to come into the sandbox and try things that you then go on and use in your internship. But primarily what I'm asking you to do is to be sure that you view all of the videos, do the assignments, some of which will require deliverables that you'll turn into the practicum class that you're enrolled in. And then after that, you can do some exploration. You'll find some links to lynda.com, software videos, and videos from everything from blended classroom to how to search for an online job. You're welcome to explore the Lynda videos. They're yours. The entire Lynda set is yours for the rest of the semester. You get re-enrolled each semester. You get full access. There's also a link to a series of playlists for the Brightspace D2L video training. Now, this is much more intense and much more in-depth than the stuff that we're seeing from Oklahoma City University. But because it's so fine-grained, it requires a lot of patience to work through. And it's only really there if you need to delve deeply into some particular part of D2L. It covers extensively all aspects of D2L. And of course, it's with a practice system that isn't exactly the same as we use here, but close enough that you can learn a lot. And it's my expectation that it won't just be interns in this environment working on these videos, that we'll see some of the instructors here at D2L who undoubtedly would like to know more about a very complex working environment that we find ourselves in. So, welcome. I hope this is helpful. If you want to get in touch with me directly, my email address is o'connord, that's O-C-O-N-N-O-R-D for Dennis, at UW-Stout.edu. And I say that because I'm not going to be monitoring this environment, taking questions in this environment. This is really a place for you to learn self-directed learning skills and to pick up as much technology as you can before you hit the ground running in your internship. Or you start your next class in D2L wondering, how the heck do I connect my grade book to a discussion so that I can grade it integrally? All of these things can be found in this environment. And the more you watch these videos, the more you will learn. So thanks for dropping in. I hope this helps.